Raise your hand if you have ever been scanned by a medical imaging device, such as an X-ray, MRI, or ultrasound. So all of you have been cared for by a biomedical engineer. First, I'm going to define the term biomedical engineering. Then, I'm going to explain how it originated and discuss where biomedical engineers work. Finally, I will talk about how they impact your life. So by the end of the speech, you should be able to tell me what a biomedical engineer is and what they do. According to the Free Medical Dictionary by Fairlex, biomedical engineering means the application of engineering principles to obtain solutions to biomedical problems. So what does this mean? It means that biomedical engineers use engineering to solve medical problems. Biomedical engineers begin by learning engineering principles, such as fluid dynamics. Then they apply those principles to the human body. For example, a biomedical engineering student might apply their knowledge of fluid dynamics to blood flow. Once they understand these concepts, then biomedical engineers can start solving medical problems. For example, that student might get a job designing artificial hearts. They must apply their knowledge of blood flow to make sure that the artificial heart works the same as the human heart. You may be wondering where the field of biomedical engineering came from. People have been applying engineering principles to biological problems for hundreds of years. According to an article titled "The Emergence of Bioengineering" by Robert Durham, found on the National Academy of Engineering website. However, the field of biomedical engineering is relatively new. According to the article, bioengineering departments began appearing in the early 1970s. Since then, biomedical engineers have designed artificial organs, medical imaging devices, and drug delivery methods. So biomedical engineers have made amazing contributions to the medical field, but where do they work? According to the Biomedical Engineer section of the Occupational Outlook Handbook by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, in 2018, the largest employer of biomedical engineers was medical equipment and supplies manufacturing. The second largest employer was research and development in the physical, engineering, and life sciences. In other words, some biomedical engineers work in industry, designing and supervising the production of medical devices. Other biomedical engineers work in labs, researching the human body. Still others work in healthcare or in universities. Now you have an understanding of what biomedical engineers do, but how does their work impact your life? Our healthcare system is composed of thousands of medical devices, from EKG machines to dialysis equipment to IVs. Biomedical engineers create the technology that healthcare professionals use to care for you. Also, biomedical engineers are shaping the future of medicine with advancements in telemedicine, stem cell research, nanotechnology, tissue engineering, and neural research, just to name a few. According to the What We Do article under the About Biomedical Engineering section of the Engineering in Medicine and Biology Society website. For example, tissue engineers are developing human tissue substitutes that combine natural biological materials with artificial substances. Who knows, a technology created by a biomedical engineer might even save one of your lives. So now you should all be able to explain who biomedical engineers are and how they contribute to the medical field. Biomedical engineers use engineering principles to solve biomedical problems. Since the 1970s, bioengineering departments have trained engineers to design new medical devices and advance the field of medicine through research. These advancements and technologies are used to care for you. So next time you get a medical image taken, think about the biomedical engineer that created that MRI, X-ray, or ultrasound machine. You can be thankful for the impact they had in your medical care. Thank you.